Hello guys, hello everyone. I hope all of you doing well and fine. I'm Lohit Jindal, founder and director at Cortex Classes. So guys, I'm back with the continuation of IOQM series, IOQM PYQ series. So guys, already we have covered 2017, 18, 19 and 20, है ना? हमने 4 साल के पेपर कर रखे हैं. Now we are going to continue with the year 2021-22 session. So guys, actually I want to tell you this thing. In this year there were 12 questions in the first stage only, right? There were two parts of the paper. Second part was for INMO. Okay, so the first part was basically the level of IOQM, but us year mein guys there were only 12 questions with the marking scheme that the first two questions were 2 markers, and then question number 3 to 9 were 3 markers, and the last 3 questions were 5 markers. Okay, तो इस तरह का एग्जाम पैटर्न था उस ईयर का. So we'll be covering the part A of the एग्जाम पेपर इन दिस वीडियोस, राइट. जो पार्ट बी है वो आईएनएमओ की प्रीवियस ईयर सीरीज में डालेंगे. ऑलराइट, ऑलराइट गाइस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टुडेज सेशन. ओके, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज अ 2 मार्कर. ऑलराइट, लेट्स सी. So this is the question guys, let's read it first. So as it says, 3 parallel lines L1, L2, L3 are drawn in the plane such that the perpendicular distance between L1 L2 is 3 and the perpendicular distance between L2 and L3 is also 3. Okay, so 3 lines equally spaced. तो guys क्या बोला जा रहा है बच्चों हमें? A square ABCD is constructed such that A lies on L1, okay, B lies on L3 and C lies on L2. Okay, and हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है गाइस. सो लेट्स ड्रॉ द डायग्राम फर्स्ट. ओके, केयरफुली ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो स्ट्रेट लाइन, another straight line and 3 parallel lines basically, right? So guys, these are the 3 parallel lines. Let me just make them almost equally spaced. All right, so guys, let's name them L1, L2 and L3, right? L1, L2, L3 क्या है हमारे पास? 3 lines है. So guys क्या बोला गया था? स्क्वायर कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है हमने with A lying on L1, okay, and B lying on L3. So guys that must be like this. Okay, let us draw the square, something like this. And guys यहां से 90 डिग्री पे कुछ ऐसा, right? So A, B, C are like this. So let me name them. This point is A, this point is B, okay, just a second. Okay, so this point is B and this point is C. All right, so guys this angle is going to be 90, right? So guys to complete the square, let's see. So the square will go like this. Okay, थोड़ा इसको नीचे कर देते हैं guys. Right, all right. So just to complete the square, it should be looking something like this. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D. ठीक है. So guys we'll be doing this question in 2 different methods. Let's see. तो guys एक बात क्या पता है हमें? Let us drop some perpendiculars. Let's understand this thing. So guys ये कितनी साइड होगी? 6, और ये कितना होगा साइड? This is 3. Okay, just a second guys. All right, so let me correct it guys. Okay, तो A से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप करते हैं गाइज यहाँ पे, एंड C से भी परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप कर देते हैं, राइट? सो लेट अस ड्रॉप द परपेंडिकुलर्स. सो मेथड 1. तो गाइज देखो यहाँ से A से जो परपेंडिकुलर गिराया उसकी लेंथ क्या होगी? 6, राइट? सिंस द इक्वली स्पेस्ड लाइंस आर 3 डिस्टेंस अपार्ट, राइट? द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम इज 3 ईच. और ये डिस्टेंस कितना होगा गाइज जो C से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप किया? दैट इज 3. नाउ लेट अस अप्लाई सम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री गाइज. द मेथड 1 is basically through trigonometry. Okay, so let's see guys. So guys if this is 6, let me give this name as theta. Let's say guys मैंने इसको एंगल को नाम दिया theta, then this angle is going to be 90 minus theta, right? एंड गाइज अब देखो, अगर ये एंगल थीटा था, ये 90 माइनस थीटा है, एंगल बी इज ऑलरेडी 90 इन द स्क्वायर, तो in this smaller triangle, okay, let me name it also AM and CN. तो guys the angle CBN is also going to be theta, है ना, क्योंकि एंगल ABM is 90 minus theta, one angle is 90, the third angle would be theta only, right? So now guys देखो, AB length क्या है, that is the side of the square, है ना, let's name it as S, and BC length is also S, right? So guys, can I say that AM जो कि 6 है, can I relate it with the side of the square S in terms of theta? कर सकते हैं ना? So what do we know? That S cos theta should be 6, or you can say cos theta, or S value will be 6 by cos theta, right? In the triangle AMB, what we can write guys, that AM, okay, AM upon AB, let me name it once. So AM upon AB is the value of cos theta. Now what is AM? That is 6 upon AB is S. तो गाइस साइड कितनी आ रही है हमारे पास, साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर शुड बी 6 बाय cos थीटा, करेक्ट, गॉट इट? सो गाइस सिमिलरली इन ट्राइंगल BCN, अगर हम BCN में देखते हैं, हाउ डू आई रिलेट S एंड द साइड CN, बिकॉज CN हमें मालूम है 3 है, राइट, और BC लेंथ S है हमारे पास, राइट? सो हाउ डू आई रिलेट 3 एंड S, BC एंड साइड S by sin theta? So what is sin theta guys? In this triangle, that will be CN upon BC, right? So guys, what is the side S? So what is the CN? This is 3 upon S. So बच्चों यहां से S हमारे पास क्या मिल जाएगा, 3 upon sin theta. So guys, if we connect 1 and 2, है ना, relate 1 and 2, equate them, है ना. So guys, what will this give us? 6 by cos theta equal to 3 by sin theta, right? तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिलने वाला है, देखो 3 will cancel 6 for 2. So guys, we are going to get, let's write it as sin theta by cos theta. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे गाइस, sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta, है ना, sin theta को इधर ले जाएंगे, sin theta by cos theta will be 1 by 2, right? tan theta की वैल्यू 1 by 2 आ जाएगी. Once we got this guys, tan theta अगर हमें मालूम है, we obviously know in a triangle, if we know any one trigonometric ratio, you can find all the other 5 trigonometric ratios, है ना, वो हम find कर सकते हैं. Now how do we do that? By forming a triangle, right? एक triangle create कर लेते हैं. Let us draw a right angle triangle in which tan theta is going to be half. So guys, if this is tan theta, this side is 1, this is 2, so by Pythagoras this is going to be root 5, है ना, 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर का रूट क्या मिलेगा, रूट 5. So guys, if I want to find the side, we can find it from any one of the equations, 1 or 2, है ना. Let's use sin theta. So that is 3 upon sin theta. But what is the value of sin theta, if you can see guys? 1 by root 5 from here. So 1 by root 5. So the side of the square that we are getting with this method is 3 root 5. Right guys? ठीक है बच्चों, यहाँ तक clear? Now since we get the side of the square, what is the area? That is side square. So let's see guys, that is 3 root 5 का square, that is 9 into 5, 45. So guys, the correct answer to this question would be 45. Final answer तो 45 होने वाला है, right? Got this method 1 guys? Is it clear? All right? Okay, great. तो guys एक और method भी करेंगे without trigonometry, है ना. But guys, you guys know already, जहां पे भी हम इस तरह से trigonometry use करते हैं ना, connecting the two triangles, the most common thing, the alternate method is using similarity. Okay, so let's see guys. So let me make some space on the next slide. Okay, just wait for a second. All right, so guys, I've made some space. Okay, so this is the first solution, and on the next slide I'm going to do the second way. Okay, method 2. Let's see guys कैसे कर सकते हैं. Although it's a 2 marker, yes, but we should know multiple ways, right? तो guys क्या करेंगे हम इसमें, देखो, what we will do is, let us drop a perpendicular from the side B, okay, upon the line L1. perpendicular drop कर देते हैं, right guys? So guys, now using the midpoint theorem, ऑल्दो एक्चुअली गाइज आप इंटरसेप्ट थ्योरम भी सोच सकते हो. वी नो that between three parallel lines, if there is some transversal, that line is divided in the same ratio as the side distances between the sides, है ना. Since the sides are lines are equally spaced, जो AB side है guys ये equally divide होगी, है ना. I'll show you how. So guys ये distance कितना है? Let us name this points as okay P, this point as Q, okay, and this point as R. ओके तो गाइज व्हाट वी कैन सी है, देखो जो बीपी डिस्टेंस है वो 3 है एंड पी क्यू डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो 3, राइट. तो गाइज जो ए आर पॉइंट है, द पॉइंट आर मस्ट बी डिवाइडिंग ए बी इन इक्वल साइड्स, इक्वल लेंथ्स, राइट. वी कैन ड्रॉप दिस परपेंडिकुलर वर्टिकली एज वेल फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट एज वेल, है ना. बात एक ही आएगी वो, बट यहां से ड्रॉ करके हम एक चीज फाइंड करेंगे. देखो तो गाइज सी कैन आई से बिकॉज L2 is parallel to L1, or you can say RP is parallel to AQ. Since RP is parallel to AQ, है ना, we can apply BPT. Okay, so that will give BR is to RA. That will give BR is to RA equal to BP is to PQ. Right? But what is BP and PQ? That has 3 each. तो guys वो ratio तो 1 आ जाएगी ना. This will cancel for 1. So guys what does this give us? That BR is equal to RA, है ना. Sorry, BR upon RA, right? So BR will be equal to RA, right? So guys now let us name this as some length A. इसको साइड A बोल देते हैं. तो इसका मतलब AR की लेंथ भी A होगी, both A each. So what is the side of the square? 2A, right? So this implies, let us name it as A, as I said. So guys what is the length of AB? That is 2A, है ना. So is the length of BC, है ना. तो guys ये लेंथ कितनी हो जाएगी BC की? 2A, as I'm marking on the diagram, right? So guys what will be the length of RC? Because RBC is a right angle triangle, है ना. So क्या मिलेगा? What is RC square? So let me write here. तो guys RC square की वैल्यू क्या होगी? RB square plus BC square. So that is A square plus, okay, I'm sorry, plus 4A square. BC का square will be 4A square. So guys this will give us RC as root 5A, right? So guys our focus in this question should be कि A find करना है. अगर हमने A find कर लिया, we can find the side of the square is 2A of course, so we can find the area of the square, right? Simple सा process है. तो guys RC हमने निकाल लिया root 5A. Now guys how do I find the value of A? Look at the triangle RBC, है ना. Let us see in triangle RBC how can we write its area. देखो RBC का एरिया हम दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, या तो हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट से, considering the sides RB and BC are at right angles, so it can also be written as half into A into 2A, है ना. दो परपेंडिकुलर साइड्स का प्रोडक्ट लिख सकते हैं. And it can also be written as, if I take the base as RC, देखो guys RC की लेंथ कितनी आ चुकी है? We've already found it to be root 5A, है ना. So and the BP height is 3. The important thing is we know the length of BP perpendicular, that is 3. So the same side area can also be written as half if the base is taken to be root 5A into height is 3, right guys? So guys now we can solve this for A. 2 to 2 cancel हो जाएगा, one of the A will get cancelled. So now we are getting the value of 2A. Don't need to cancel 2A or anything, 2 को उधर लेके जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. तो guys because हमें 2A ही चाहिए ना, that is the side of the square. So what is the length of 2A? That is 3 root 5. Same as that what we got in the first method, है ना. So 2A की वैल्यू 3 root 5 आ गई. तो एरिया की वैल्यू क्या होगी guys? एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर, that is 2A whole square, which means 3 root 5 का whole square, which is again giving us the same answer as 45, right guys? So the correct answer for this question is 45. All right guys, I hope this was, you enjoyed this question, and guys I hope you guys learned some new things through this question, ठीक है. If you did, guys, please like this video and do subscribe to our channel. It will help us, getting motivated to, bring out some more videos like this. Keep on coming with such videos. All right. Thank you, guys. That's it. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and all the best, guys. Take care. Bye bye.